Welcome back, JA.
Hello, hello.
And so, may good news tsaka bad news ako. So, last chapter na to ng course natin sa Google Search. Ah,
Oh,
yes. So, before tayo mag-go through dito sa last chapter ng course ng Google Search, gusto ko yung tanong, how's the experience na kasama kitang nag-shoot dito at saka how's the experience sa Google Ads?
marami ako natutunan. As in, dahil Taglish, mas madali intindihin.
Hmm.
Di ba? Tapos yung mga memes, syempre, nakabreak ka ng monotony eh. Kaya happy ako sa
So,
memes. Thank you, Amira and Liz, ang
yes, thank
aming
you both.
video editors. I'm still going to rewatch it to make sure I understand, but I am more confident now
Mhm.
kasi I have a step-by-step blueprint I can follow.
So, ayan. So, ay, gusto ko yung sinabi mo na you're going to rewatch it kasi you have a step by step. Kasi with Google Ads, sa dami ng technical na discuss natin, no, I doubt kasi na isang sitting is you're an expert na. Kasi may
Mhm.
mga sections doon na kailangan, may mga, especially yung building ng campaign, kailangan mo kasi talaga siyang gawin. Pero, kung gagawin mo lang siya ng wala kang test subject or a test client, yung dito papasok yung breakthrough case study eh. Offer it to anyone na kakilala ninyo para lang makapag-run kayo ng Google Ads. So, I think GA, para sa'yo, I know you're a freelancer, di ba, sa Tribe. So, offer it para matry mo talaga siya. Kasi doon ka matututo eh.
Yes, yes, I agree. Mag-aano kami. Combo kami ni Liz dyan, SEO plus Google
Mhm.
Ads.
Oh, yes, yes. Hindi pa natin naka-cover yun actually. So, but
Ah,
that's another topic.